Hi everyone, I am Priyavashni, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. So today I am going to talk about the supervised learning and unsupervised learning, which is important concepts in the field of the machine learning. So these techniques helps machines learn from data are widely used in our daily lives, often without us even realize it. Let me start with a simple example. Imagine a teacher showing a student different fruits and telling them this is an apple and this is a banana. Later, when the student sees a new fruit, they can't identify it correctly, right? So, this is similar to the supervised learning, where the machine learns with guidance using the labeled data. So, now imagine the student is given a basket of fruits without any names and asked to group them. The students may group them based on the color or size or shape. This is similar to unsupervised learning, where the machine finds patterns without any guidances. In this presentation, we will explore these two types of learning in detail with real-time examples.
I'm Joshna from BSc Computer Science. Now I'm going to present the case study on supervised learning and unsupervised learning, which are key concepts in the field of machine learning. These techniques are widely used in the real-world applications, such as span, detection, recommendation system, and customer analysis. In this presentation, we will not only explain these concepts, but also explore the real-life case study to understand how they work in practice. We will be
while unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data and helps us discovering hidden patterns. So going back to our example, learning with a teacher represents the supervised learning, while grouping things independently represents unsupervised